Good day, grade 9 learners! This is the second part of a series of video lessons on functions. Atong i-visualize ang characteristics, properties, o sa Bisaya pa, ang kinaiya sa functions. Kung ang usa ka graph or a quadratic expression na ay set of x values, wherein each x value na usara ka paris, usara ka point, ang kana nga graph, kana nga quadratic expression, usa ka function. Which means, usara jud ka buo ang paris sa bawat x value. Before ta mag-GeoGebra time, let's have some set theory time, shall we? So this is our first case. Itawag ni nato as one-to-one correspondence. So please observe. One, element siya sa set X, right? Usara ang paris niya. That is 4 elements sa set Y. And then, ang 4 na elements sa set Y, usara po ang paris, which is X. Muna nga 1-to-1. Another pair. Ang 2, usara ang paris niya, which is 5. Niya ang 5, usara po ang paris, which is 2. And so on and so forth. So, one-to-one correspondence, ang mga x values sa set X, usara ang paris. Unya, ang y elements or y values sa set Y, usara po ang paris na naa sa set X. So, to summarize, the elements in set X are paired with elements in set Y. Diba, nagparis-paris sila. Each element in set X has one and only one pair in set Y. And each element in set Y has only one and only one pair in set X. Good. So, tungod kay, ang each element in set X has one and only one pair in set Y, this kind of correspondence is a function. Kaya nga naman, kay ang each element or each x value, usara ang paris. Karon, let's have our second case. We have one-to-many correspondence. The element in set X, which is 4, is paired with many elements in set Y. The only element in set X, which is 4, has 3 pairs in set Y. Though each element in set Y has only one and only one pair in set X, dili ni siya function. Ari dito tanaw sa set X. Okay? Ang mga elements or mga x values sa set X dapat usara ang paris. Again, this is a relation, not a function. Nga naman, this is because ang element na 4 na naa sa set X, wala man na paris sa usara ka element diri sa set Y. Again, for a set of ordered pairs to be a function, dapat ang usa ka x value, usara jud ang paris niya diri sa set Y. Now, it's your turn. Ngano man ang many-to-one correspondence, usa man siya ka function. And then, ngano man nga ang many-to-many correspondence, dili function, not a function, only a relation. It's GeoGebra time! Okay, so let's create a circle. Dali ra. So just click here. This is the menu for circles. And then click on circle with center through point. And then choose any center. Okay, choose any location. And then drag it to make a circle. And then click at any point in the circumference of the circle. Karon, let's do a vertical line test. So, kung maingon gani si professor, draw a vertical line and make a vertical line test. So, mag-draw ta o vertical line nga mo-intersect or mo-touch sa circle. Saon man, dili sa GeoGebra, dali ra. Just type here at the algebra pane, x equals to 4. Okay, ang pangalan ng vertical line, x is equal to 4. Atong x value sa mga points ani nga line kay 4. Mao na ang meaning sa usa ka vertical line. It is a line with points whose x value is equal to 4. Oh. So, unsa man ang imong na-observe? Pila ka buok points ang na-produce sa vertical line na x equal to 4 when it is intersecting the circle. Atong ipon, shall we? So, click here, point, and then click this point of intersection C, and then another point of intersection B. Pila ka buok? Yes, duha ka buok points of intersection sa circle o sa vertical line. Now, let's get the values of these 2 points. Okay, right-click on point C, settings, and then value, name and value. Okay, so ang coordinates, 4, 6. Ang x value, 4. Ang y value, 6. Alright, so the same drill, there is a point B. So click on point B, then click on settings, and then name and value. Okay, so unsa man ang coordinates sa point B. Okay, so ang x coordinate or x value is 4, and the y value is negative 2. Okay? Or the y coordinate is negative 2. Isa mo na observe. Yes, sakto. Ang x value na 4, naparisan og duha ka y values. Ang sa point C, 6, nya sa point D, negative 2. So, mao na ang reason nga ang circle dili usa ka function. It is only a relation or a locus. When we say locus, it's a set of points. So again, dili function ang circle. Now, let's create an ellipse. So click on the menu for ellipse, and then click on ellipse, and then choose 2 points for the foci and any points along the ellipse. Now, let's have x equal to 3 as the vertical line for our vertical line test. So, type here na algebra pane, x equal to 3. So, our vertical line is x equal to 3. Okay, so mga x values kay 3. And then, observe. Right, so pila ka buok ang points of intersection sa ellipse o sa vertical line? Yes, klaro kayo no na ay duha. Okay, now let's reveal the coordinates. Yan. So, there is a point D. Ang x value na 3, naparisan sa y value na 4.82. How about there is a E? Okay, so right-click and then name and value. Okay. So, ang x value na 3, naparisan o y value na 1.18. O, diba? So, ang x value nga 3 na ay duha ka pares, 4.82 o 1.18. Okay, so ang ellipse dili function, no? Kay ang x value nga 3 duha man ka buok ang pares. So, an ellipse is just a relation, a locus, a set of points, not a function. Now, let's have a parabola opening westward. Unsaon man, himo sa taog directrix. Okay, it's a vertical line, pero dili ni siya para sa vertical line test. Okay, so just click on line and then click on any part. Ayan. So this is our directrix for the parabola. It's a line, okay, at the back of the parabola. So please park your questions muna about parabola. We will have another video lesson for the parts of a parabola. Now, let's click on the menu for parabola. Okay. And then click on parabola. Then click on the directrix. And then click on any point in front of it. Yan. Diba na atay parabola opening westward, or the parabola opens to the west. So let's do vertical line test. So let's have x is equal to -4. Yan. So sa may mo na-observe, yes, na ay duha ka points of intersection sa vertical line na x equals to -4 ug sa parabola. So, kani nga klase nga parabola, dili ni siya function. It's just a relation. It's just a locus, a set of points. Now, let's have a parabola that opens upward and downward. Okay, so click on the parabola menu, click on the directrix, and then in front, this is the parabola that opens downward. And then we'll have a parabola that opens upward. Let's perform vertical line test. For the parabola that opens downward, atong vertical line kay x is equal to 10. Okay, so let's add some colors. Ayan. Okay, so ang x equal to 10, mauna ang atong vertical line para sa vertical line test para sa parabola that opens downward. So what did you notice? Diba? Ang point of intersection sa vertical line nga red o parabola, usa ra ka buo. So this kind of parabola is a function. Now let's have a vertical line test for the parabola that opens upward. So let's have the same vertical line na x equal to 10, no? The red vertical line. So unsa man imong na-observe? Yes, so the red line, the red vertical line touches the parabola that opens upward at only one point as well. And okay? So, meaning, the parabola that opens upward and the parabola that opens downward, these two are functions. And the parabola that opens to the west and the parabola that opens to the east, they are not functions, they are relation. Because the x values, okay, at that vertical line are being paired to two y values. Summary, a graph representing a set of ordered pairs, usa ka function kung ang vertical line sa vertical line test ni touch sa usara ka points. Mo-touch gani og duha ka points, dili na function, usara ka relation or usa ka locus. So the parabola that opens upward and downward are functions, and the parabola that opens to the west is not a function. So thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you have learned something.